To set up an Xfinity Flex TV box, you'll need the box itself, a remote control, a power cable, an HDMI cable, and an active Xfinity internet service. Begin by plugging in the HDMI cable at the back of the box and the power cable. Then connect the HDMI to the back of your TV screen. Turn on the TV in the box, and verify your account on the screen or use the Xfinity application to log in. Next, name your device by typing in a preferred title or choosing from the available selections. Activate the voice remote by pressing OK. Then choose your preferred action when using the remote, select Setup. Skip now, or don't ask again. It's worth noting that an Xfinity Internet subscription is required to use the Xfinity Flex, as it is an extension of the Xfinity Internet service designed to provide additional entertainment options. Additionally, the Xfinity Flex box is designed for use on a single TV set. So if you have multiple TVs in your home, you'll need to purchase additional boxes for each TV. Overall, setting up an Xfinity Flex TV box is a straightforward process.